Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with my brand new iPhone 11 and one of my favorite products from RhinoShield, their Impact Protection Screen Protector. So I just got my iPhone 11 this weekend, and I'm feeling a little nervous because it doesn't have a screen protector on it yet. So the Impact Protection Screen Protector by RhinoShield seems like a great choice. This screen protector provides 5 times the impact protection of Gorilla Glass 3, and it's very thin and lightweight. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the screen protector on the iPhone, and we will look at the results. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, we have the screen protector itself, we have a number of dust removal stickers, we have a microfiber cloth for cleaning your phone, and we have a squeegee card for pushing out any remaining bubbles after installation. One of the keys to a successful screen protector install is making sure you are working in a clean and dust-free environment. Also, you want to make sure that your phone is as clean as you can get it. So if your phone happens to be really particularly dirty, you might want to clean it before you clean it with a microfiber cloth. Clean it with maybe, say, a damp tissue or something. Just gently wipe away any dust or dirt, because if there's dust or dirt particles on there, you don't want to be smearing them around on the screen with your microfiber cloth. So want to make sure everything is beautiful and clean before you start, so definitely want to polish it up with that microfiber cloth. I think it's great that RhinoShield decided to include a number of dust removal stickers in the packaging this year. So previous years they just had one great big dust removal sticker, which was fantastic for cleaning your screen, but not so good for other things. So the way these should be used, as far as I understand it, is that the larger dust removal sticker is for removing any stray dust or dirt prior to screen protector install. And then after that, if you end up having a little hair or something like that underneath the screen protector, stuck in between the screen and your screen protector, then you can use these stickers in order to remove them. They're really helpful. It still takes a little bit of doing. It's not the easiest thing in the world, but it can definitely save a flawed screen protector install and turn it into a perfect one. So they can be very useful to have. Next, take a look at the screen protector itself. You've got 2 tabs on here, one marked A and the other one is marked B. Not surprisingly, A is the one you're going to be peeling off first. You're going to peel off A to expose the adhesive side. Once you peel it off, be sure not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector. You're going to peel it off and then put this face down onto the phone. Pay attention to top and bottom here. Obviously, we've got the notch here at the top. You don't have much in the way of guides in terms of alignment for this. You don't have a home button anymore, which actually is kind of unfortunate. It makes it a little harder to install this kind of a screen protector without any kind of installer. A lot of screen protector manufacturers are coming out with install tools to help you get a screen protector installed properly. Unfortunately, we don't have one of these with this screen protector, so that is definitely a bit of a drawback. The key thing here for success is to make sure your screen is super clean. You want to move slowly and align carefully, and absolutely do not touch the adhesive side of the screen protector, because if you touch it with your fingers, it's going to mess things up. Once the screen protector has been installed, if there's any remaining bubbles, you can either use your fingers or the squeegee card to push them out. I didn't find any need to use the squeegee card at all. In fact, I never do, but if squeegee cards are your thing, then there is one included. Overall, I found that the install went extremely easily. Once any remaining bubbles have been removed, you can finish the installation process by peeling off the tab marked B to peel off the final remaining protective piece of plastic, and then you are all set. Looking at the results of the install, I think everything went extremely well. We had a very easy, very bubble-free install, and the result is very good. We don't have any haloing, any white spots on the edges, any bubbles that did not come out, so that is excellent. And as you can see, this is an exceedingly thin screen protector. On the negative side, I did not manage to get it aligned absolutely perfectly. There's a little bit less screen protector on this side and a little bit more on that side, but I think it's a pretty small difference, and once you put a case on it, you are really not going to notice it at all. Of course, this is a case compatible screen protector, so you got plenty of space here on the side, so that should fit with most cases. So overall, I think we've just got a really good look on here. Very, very thin. One thing about the thinness, and I don't know if this has to do with the thinness or the material, is that this does not have the rounded soft edges that you might expect from some kinds of high quality tempered glass screen protector. Zag comes to mind. Zag has beautiful rounded edges. This one does not have that, so they have a very, very slightly rough feel when you touch them, but really not a big deal, and overall I think everything looks really good. So in terms of responsiveness, everything is excellent, no problems there, very responsive underneath the fingertips. You don't have any kinds of issues with your haptic touch. That is all good. Optical clarity is outstanding, very bright and crisp. But there's one thing you have to keep in mind, and that is that this type of material, although it does have an oleophobic coating, it is not as good as the oleophobic coating you are probably used to on a tempered glass screen protector. So it's going to attract more fingerprints and smears. You have to keep that microfiber cloth handy. It's a good thing that they gave you one in the package. So that is going to affect your optical clarity a little bit if you allow it to get dirty, but as long as it's clean, it has absolutely great optical clarity, and because it's such a thin screen protector, it is extremely responsive. So the difference between a tempered glass screen protector and an advanced polymer screen protector such as this one is that this one is optimized to provide protection against impact. It's not that great against scratches and fingerprints. So tempered glass screen protectors are great against scratching and fingerprints. Absolutely no issues there, but they don't do too well against impact, whereas this one's going to do really well against impact. As I said, this is going to give you 5 times the impact protection of Gorilla Glass 3, so that is excellent. So overall, I think it just depends upon what you are looking for your iPhone. For me, I'm feeling a little bit nervous having a brand new iPhone 11, and I'm really thrilled to get that 5x impact protection for my screen. So overall, I think that this is just a really nice product from the folks at RhinoShield. Definitely check it out if you are in the market for an impact protective screen protector. Again, we've been looking at the Impact Protection Screen Protector by RhinoShield for iPhone 11. This product is available directly from RhinoShield as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $24.99. You can save 15% on this purchase if you use the coupon code you will find in the description below, so definitely check that out if you are interested in this screen protector. I will put links below where you can find out more about this product. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out this sample to review and for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case, screen protector, and other accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the Impact Protection Screen Protector for iPhone 11 by RhinoShield. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.